Hi everyone, today we're going to be walking through my solution to question 3, part A of the 2024 AP Computer Science exam. So let's dive right in. For this question, we are given a word checker class that contains an array list of strings that we will analyze using two methods we must create. Part A asks us to check if each element in a list of words contains the previous word as a substring, not including the first word. We are given some examples that we can use to test our solution, as well as some postconditions and preconditions. We first start by getting the size of the list and declaring variables for the current and previous strings, as well as the current index we will be using. Next, we use a for loop to iterate through the list, starting from the second element. This is because we need to compare each word with the previous one, excluding the first one. To make things easier, we first start by grabbing the previous string and the current string, and then saving those in variables. This is done using the get method on the ArrayList class. For each word, we check if the previous word is a substring of the current word using the index of method. If it's not found, we can return false immediately. If we make it through the entire list without finding any mismatches, we can return true. This means each word contains the previous word as a substring. And that's it, a simple yet effective way to solve part A. Next, we'll be moving on to part B. I'm back. Now let's tackle part B of question 3 on the 2024 AP Computer Science exam. In part B, we need to create a new list of strings where the list contains each string that starts with a given target, with the target portion removed from the string. We are given some examples as well as the postcondition that the items must appear in the same order. We start by first initializing a new array list to store our results. We can also instantiate our string variable that will contain the string to be added to the list as well as our starting index. To iterate, we use an enhanced for loop to go through our string in the original list. For each string, we check if the target is at the beginning using the index of method. If it returns 0, then we know it was found at the beginning. If it is, we remove the target from the string using the substring method and add the rest of the string to our new list. We start the substring at the length of the target because that would give us the letter immediately after the target and grab everything past that point. Finally, we can return the new list of modified strings. And there you have it, a straightforward way to solve part B. Thanks for watching and happy coding.